Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to install Bitwig Studio for free on your Windows PC or laptop. First, open your web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you like, such as Edge, Brave, or Firefox. Now, head over to the official Bitwig website at bitwig.com. On the home page, click the Try button located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, you'll see download options for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Choose Windows X 8664-bit and start the download. The installer is around 300 megabytes, so it may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the file is finished downloading, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the Bitwig Studio.msi installer file. The setup wizard will open. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Next again. Now choose the installation folder. I recommend leaving it as the default and click Next. Then click Install to begin the installation process. It may take a couple of minutes to complete. After the installation finishes, click Finish to close the setup wizard. Bitwig Studio should now be installed on your PC. Next, go to your Start menu or desktop shortcut and open Bitwig Studio. The first time you launch it, Windows might ask for confirmation. Just click Yes to allow it. Bitwig Studio will now open and ask you to log in, start a demo, or activate a license. If you don't have a license, you can still use the free demo version, which includes all the features, but doesn't let you save or export projects. In my case, I don't have a license, so I'll click Run in demo mode. You can also create a free account and get a 30-day trial if you want to test out the full version, and that's it. You've successfully installed Bitwig Studio on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.